Hello, welcome to Tiny Papercraft. Today we're looking at building the famous ancient Colosseum in Rome. It's one of the easier models. Hope you enjoy. We can use basic materials to build the model. Some scissors, a ruler, glue, and a cutting knife is helpful but optional for the tab holes. I used 45-pound paper, but any paper weight will do for this particular model. The general process entails cutting out the pieces, pre-shaping, and then attaching the tabs. We start by making the base, cutting out the box. Notice the radial tab holes. These will receive the wall tabs. After making all the tab incisions, we fold and glue the surface into a box, finishing the base. Then we can move on to the walls. We rely on a regular ruler or scale bar to create perfect straight edges. Gently press against the top of the edge with the ruler aligned to the fold line below. We can use this clean edge to fold over and obtain a nice clean corner. We can fold all the way around 180 degrees and then ensure the corner is retained at 90-degree angle. You can use the edge of a table to make the fold instead of a ruler. You can also tape a ruler at the edge of the table to temporarily set up a folding workstation. It's helpful to try on twice before committing and gluing it down. Always dry fit and adjust before fixing into place permanently. There are two surfaces to each wall, but will not be very visible when the model is complete. Gluing the two surfaces together or printing double-sided is optional. The model will largely look the same. Cut along the black outline. Notice the colors extend beyond. This gives us a little bit of flexibility when cutting out. I used the glue container to pre-shape the oval pieces, but any curved surface will help in pre-shaping before fitting the walls in place. At the very end, you can use a black marker or a Sharpie to run over the exposed paper edges, hiding the white lines and making it a little bit more realistic. When shaping the curved walls, gently press it against the curved surface, gradually obtaining the oval shape. Sometimes reprinting a page and reshaping some pieces is necessary and part of the process. When the shaped wall naturally retains the curved shape, insert the tab into the base. Sometimes the tab needs to be trimmed a little bit or the receiving hole enlarged. Try to apply glue to the hidden edges on the underside of the base for more seamless joints. You can also attach an underside surface to the box to completely hide how it is joined when picking it up. Due to the size and shape, it should be very sturdy when it is complete and the glue is completely dry, making it very durable and easy to handle and move. The pieces are numbered in order of assembly sequence, and there are diagrams indicating where each piece is located. The video follows this build sequence, but it is not entirely necessary to follow the sequence as the pieces are independent of one another. Hope you enjoy building and wish you all the best on your papercraft adventure. Cheers. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and see more projects similar to this in the channel. Also, feel free to pass it on to anyone who you think might like it. Always super curious, what other models would you like to see videos of most? Please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribing is completely free, and it lets the algorithm know that you're interested in this type of content and will notify you when there's similar videos available. Thank you so much.